Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Chassie, and today's course what we're going to learn how to do is paint with alcohol ink on tile, and then we're going to do basically a two-for for this one. We're going to also learn how to paint on Yupo paper, and we're going to be doing a nice little sunset. You'll be able to pick the colors that you want to use, and I'll go over everything with you step by step. It's for beginners, and also for any of you that have been struggling with alcohol inks or have always wanted to try them or done something more abstract. This is a way to learn how to actually paint with them. You'll be able to use your brush, and we'll do some brush strokes and some details in there. So what we'll be painting is the sunset. This is going to be on a 4x4 tile. If you have something larger that you want to use, you're welcome to do that. And they're just basic tiles that you can get like at a hardware store, any tile store. You just want to make sure that it's a white glossy tile that you're going to paint on. You don't want anything that's porous or the inks will be absorbed by the porousness. So you want something glossy and shiny. And then we'll also do the same scene, but we're going to learn how to do some stormy clouds in this one. And this one's done on Yupo paper. So we'll do those. We'll go through those step by step, and then I'm also going to cover a little bonus section on different types of display items that you can use with your tiles. So for example, I have this nice little wooden block, and the tiles just kind of stick right in there, and so you can kind of display them either on a shelf or on top of fireplace, and they make great gifts as well. So we'll go over a few options there and where to get them. So looking forward to painting with you, and when you finish your work, I would love to see it. So I'm on social media. If you want to either post it on Facebook, Instagram, all of those links can be found on the About Me page. So looking forward to it.